Hello dear students, today we are going to learn Unit 4C Blue Zones. First exercise, months, adverbs and expressions of frequency. Complete the months in the phone diary. Listen and check.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, open the page 157. Do this exercise. Expressions of frequency. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Every week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. Every week, every January, February, March, every month, every, for example, 2017, 2018, every year. Only on Mondays, it means once a week. On Mondays and Wednesdays, twice a week, 3 times a week, and 4 times a year. Adverbs of frequency. What do the highlighted words mean? Match the sentence from 1 to 6 to A and F. For example, I always get up at 7 during the week. It means I start work at 8 every day. Now let's listen and check.
Point 17. 2. Expressions of frequency.
Oh no. Sorry, next task.
Point 18. 3. Adverbs of frequency. 1. B.
I always get up at 7 o'clock during the week. I start work at 8 o'clock every day.
2. A.
I often go to the cinema after work, about 7 or 8 times a month.
3. C. I usually finish work at 6 o'clock, but on Fridays we stop at 3 o'clock. 4. F.
I sometimes meet a friend for lunch, about once or twice a month.
5. E.
I hardly ever go to the theatre, only once or twice a year.
6. D.
I never have coffee. I don't like it.
Okay, go back to page 34. Grammar. Read the text about teenagers in the USA. Are teenagers in your country similar? Read this text and answer for this question. Are you similar or not? Then open the page 130. Grammar. Position of adverbs, expressions of frequency. First rule, we use adverbs and expressions of frequency to say how often you do something. How often do you cook? I cook every evening. Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb. In negative sentences, the adverb of frequency goes between don't, doesn't, and the verb. Second rule, adverb of frequency go after be in positive and negative sentences. In interrogative sentences, question, with be, the adverb of frequency goes after the subject. We use positive verb with hardly ever and never. He's never stressed. Not he isn't never stressed. It is wrong sentence. Third rule, expressions of frequency usually go at the end of a sentence or verb phrase. Here you can see examples. I always watch TV in the evening, they're hardly ever late, and I have English classes twice a week. Next, go open the next page, Unit 4C, A and B, exercises A and B. First, put the verb of frequency in the correct place in the sentence. They drive, they don't drive car, never. They never drive car. They never drive, they don't have a car. Always, usually, etc. Exercise B, order the words to make sentences. Always she at 6 up gets. She always gets up at 6. Write down other 8 sentences. After that, go back to page 35, reading and speaking. Look at the photos and read the text. What are the blue zones? How old do you think Alexis and Maria are? What are their secrets? Read the text. After reading, tell what are their secrets. After that, what words and phrases can you remember from the article? With a partner, write words in each category: food and drink, physical exercise. After that, now I give you some video to watch, and after watching, answer for these questions true or false. This is exercise 5A. Then watch again and correct if the false sentence. What does Okinawa have in common with Ikaria and Nicoya? Are there people in your country who live like this? In what ways is your lifestyle similar or different from life in the blue zones? Would you like to live in one of the blue zones? Now let's watch video about Okinawa.
Okinawa is an island about 400 miles south of Japan. It's a beautiful island with wonderful beaches and clear blue water. It also has more centenarians, people who are 100 years old or more, than anywhere else in the world. What's more, they seem to age more slowly than other people. According to scientists, people there who are actually 70 often have the bodies of 50-year-olds. Many of them are very healthy all through their lives. What's their secret? Most people think it's because of their healthy lifestyle. They don't have big meals. They have a cultural habit called hara hachi biu, which means they always stop eating before they're full. They usually just have fish and vegetables, especially sweet potatoes, and they eat a lot of seaweed, which is one of the healthiest foods that there is. But diet isn't the only reason why they live so long. The Okinawans are very active, and they often work in their gardens until they're 80 or more. Many of them also do Tai Chi or martial arts every day. They have a good social life. They visit friends or family, and a lot of them belong to community centers. Some play the traditional Okinawan guitar, an instrument similar to a banjo. The old people of Okinawa are very positive and happy with their lives. They aren't stressed because they're never in a hurry. Their spiritual lives are important to them, especially the women, and many of them meditate every day. In Okinawa, people say you're a child until you are 55, and when you reach 97, your local town holds a special ceremony called Kachimaya.